Welcome to Ashliee Tries. My name is Ashliee. This is day 2 of TRYMAS. So on today's video, we're gonna see what's under the tree. Now, let's go. We are back from under the tree and we have this little goodie. I'm excited to see what's in this one. Hopefully this one is the better one. It's a good gadget. Last gadget was amazing. I gave that one an 8 out of 10. If you guys are interested in that video, go see it and I'll have it in the description below. Okay, so we can cut corn with this one. It's called a corn dude and it cuts corn. Have you guys seen that hack where you can just put it on a pan and then you can just cut it on the side? They have this little goodie right here and we're gonna see how it works. So I got my handy dandy scissors and we're just gonna cut them. I actually hate how they package these things. This is cute. It has a little corn on it. Our corn is washed and I think you just start sliding. Watch your, oh. Okay. Simple. You're not really getting the cornels off of here. Like it's just skimming it. You're not like actually getting anything. Okay, let's see if I can go deeper. Okay, no. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself. I don't know. This is what we're getting. Like, we're just getting shavings of the corn. Okay. Like, I feel like this is a waste. Oh, it got in my eye. Oh no. No. This is not it. Not it. Not at all. If you want this gadget, think again. Okay, that was it. I hope you guys liked this video. So, at the end of this, I give it a thumbs down. No, this is probably a 2 out of 10. It didn't give what I thought it was supposed to give. So, if you know how to use this better than I do and you have some pointers, please let me know in the comments below and let's have a chit chat. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Toodaloo!